Alright guys, so I've been sick for the past week since Saturday of last week when I uploaded. I got sick that day. New Year's Eve I was sick all week. I didn't go to work all week and I haven't been able to really work on the 240. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the intake manifold gasket off and put the new one on that I have. And hopefully that gets it to turn on right, because I checked spark, fuel, and compression, and everything is good. So I'm hoping that maybe the intake manifold gasket is leaking, or it's, sucking in too much air. Hopefully right now, switching out the gasket, we're able to get it running right. Okay, so right now I just I did the timing again, and from what it looked like the distributor was flipped 180 degrees. So I turned it on right now. It started. I got the bumper on. I am missing that little piece right here on the side, but for now the bumper's on. Still need a battery. I'm gonna put the hood on. I'm gonna try to do it by myself and then wash the car. Nice and flush. Check it out. All right, let's go wash it now.